How to log in Xbox account on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for Xbox. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of the application. So as you can see, I've already installed the application. So let's tap on open and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So let's tap on the sign in option over here. So as you tap on sign in, what you can do is we can just wait for a few more seconds. And as we tap on sign in, it will take us to this new page where you can sign in through our browser. So you can select your account using Microsoft account over here. So I'm going to select on the account that I've already had my login credentials and then tap on continue. And you just have to wait for a few more seconds and then you'll be able to log into your Xbox account on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.